there, tech enthusiasts! Are you tired of losing your precious data to unexpected crashes? Or maybe you're just looking for a reliable way to keep your files safe? Well, I've got just the thing for you. Click the link in the description below to get your special discount on AOMEI Backupper Professional lifetime deal. Alright, let's dive in. Picture this. You're working on an important project, and suddenly your computer crashes. Panic sets in as you frantically search for your lost files. But wait! Here comes AOMEI Backupper, swooping in like a digital superhero to save the day. With AOMEI Backupper Professional, you can back up your system, disks, and files with ease. Full incremental and differential backups? Check. But that's not all. Need to clone your system to a new hard drive or SSD? No problem. AOMEI Backupper's got you covered with its System Disk Clone feature. It's like having a tech wizard in your pocket. And what if the unthinkable happens and you need to restore your system? AOMEI Backupper makes it quick and painless. Just a few clicks, and you're back in business. Plus, you can create bootable media to recover your system even if it's completely unbootable. Now that's peace of mind. Oh, and did I mention file synchronization? You can sync your files and folders between different locations, including cloud storage services. Say goodbye to messy data management. Security is a big deal, right? With AOMEI Backupper, you can protect your backups with password encryption and save storage space with compression. Your data stays safe and sound. Now you might be wondering, how does AOMEI Backupper stack up against the competition? Well, let me tell you. While some competitors might offer faster backup speeds or more advanced features, AOMEI Backupper stands out with its user-friendly interface and comprehensive features. And the best part? The lifetime deal offers exceptional long-term value with no recurring subscription fees. User reviews rave about its ease of use, reliability, and the peace of mind it provides. Plus, who doesn't love a good deal? The lifetime deal is a game changer, offering you long-term protection without breaking the bank. So why wait? Don't let data loss ruin your day. Click the link in the description below to get your special discount on AOMEI Backupper Professional lifetime deal. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Happy backing up. And remember, stay tuned for more tech tips and reviews. Hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss out on the latest and greatest in tech. See you next time.